It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite: fast food keto salads. Salads aren't naturally keto. I know all these years salad was what you ate when you wanted to lose weight. It made you miserable, and it barely ever worked. It's been a running joke in movies and in real life for decades. A bowl full of veggies with a sweetened sauce is not actually going to help you lose weight very much. And you probably already know that from trying it. In our new keto world, a bowl of fat is actually far superior for weight loss. Who would have thought that? Carbs from many salad toppings like dressings, sweet marinades, fresh or dried fruit, and other knickknacks can add up to real trouble fast when you're talking about weight loss. Getting a meat-based meal is much easier on your carb count for the day. But if you really want a salad, here's some ways to do it when you're out. McDonald's. Order the Bacon Ranch grilled chicken salad with guacamole. 10 grams of carbs, 380 calories, 19 grams of fat, 42 grams of protein. Chipotle. Get the salad bowl with steak, romaine, cheese, sour cream, and salsa. That's 7 grams of carbs, 405 calories, 23 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein. Welcome to Moe's at Moe's Restaurant. Taco salad with adobo chicken, fresh jalapenos, cheddar cheese, and guacamole. That'll be 9 grams of carbs, 325 calories, 23 grams of fat, 28 grams of protein. Arby's. Get the roast turkey farmhouse salad with buttermilk ranch dressing. That's 10 grams of carbs, 440 calories, 35 grams of fat, 22 grams of protein. Read the labels or ask about carbs in the dressings. Sometimes they change things up, and it's a good thing to keep up with it and check occasionally to make sure they haven't changed something. Oil and vinegar is a good way to go if you're not sure about the dressing. High-fat ranch is good as long as there are no added sugars. Always check. Watch out for candied nuts and other little sugar bombs or carb bombs. Lots of restaurants these days are aware of diabetics and their needs. You can often ask what they have for diabetics or if they have low carb on the menu. Happy keto hunting out there. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.